Hey guys, Ken here and welcome back. For today's video, ang gagawin ko is i-update ko tong go-to or everyday makeup bag ko guys kasi it's been a hot minute since the last time na in-update ko siya. And feeling ko naman guys, sobrang obvious na kailangan na siyang i-update, kailangan ng palitan yung mga products inside, kaya ayun nga. Today, samahan niyo ako mag-organize and mag-update ng makeup bag. Paulit-ulit na rin kasi yung mga ginagamit ko, kaya ayun guys, medyo nagsasawa na ako, so yeah. Samahan niyo akong baguhin sila. And of course, bago tayo magpaalam, ito po yung final look sa ating bag na kailangan na talagang ayusin at baguhin. Ito nga pala yung bagong makeup bag na gagamitin ko this time, and as you can see, mas malaki siya compared sa ginagamit ko before. Another reason why I opted for this one is actually aside from its size, and aside sa mukha siyang professional, is that once you open it, meron siyang compartment inside, kaya mas organized and mas malinis tignan yung mga product inside. And ayan, sobrang daming compartment. Tsaka ang maganda din kasi sa bag na to is that padded siya, kaya kahit skincare, pwedeng maglagay. And actually, that's what I'm gonna do. Maglalagay din ako ng skincare para complete na talaga siya. So yeah, basically, this is going to be my ultimate makeup bag, as in yung from start to finish ng face or makeup, ilalagay ko na dito. Para din hindi na ako kumukuha sa ibang lalagyan kasi nakakapagod. Ito yung first item na ilalagay ko sa aking makeup bag. This is from Garnier, and ito yung favorite serum ko from them, yung Vitamin C Serum. I have been using this one for over a month now. Simula nung tinest ko siya guys hanggang ngayon, hindi ko na tinigilan yung paggamit because meron talaga siyang effect. Actually, nagawan ko na ng review to guys and I really enjoyed using this, kaya ayun nga, constant yung paggamit ko sa kanya and naging part na ng routine. Whether naka-makeup man ako, magme-makeup or even without makeup, eto na talaga yung ginagamit ko because nakakatulong talaga siya when it comes to brightening your skin and also sa mga dark spots, nakakalighten siya. Another reason why I like this is because compared sa ibang nabibili sa market na Vitamin C Serum, this one contains 30 times more vitamin C, kaya mas effective siya and mas mabilis yung effect sa skin. And if you guys watch my video, siguro alam nyo na how much I hate products na sobrang oily or lagkit sa skin. That's why I like this kasi guys, hindi siya malakit at all and also fast absorbing siya. Formula-wise, this one is super good guys kasi super lightweight niya, it's not sticky, hindi siya greasy, kaya very comfortable as well kapag ka nilagay sa skin. This one is perfect kasi it feels like nothing sa skin since nga mabilis ma-absorb. Di ba look at that? Wala siyang kintab at all. Sobrang bilis ma-penetrate yung skin, kaya if you have oily skin, this one is perfect kasi hindi siya mag-a-add ng kahit anong kintab or oiliness sa face. Okay na okay din to sa kahit anong skin type guys. So whether you have oily skin, normal or dry, definitely pwedeng-pwede and mag-work siya. And also day and night, actually pwedeng-pwede yung gamitin tong product na to, which is actually something that I love as well kasi di ba, hindi nyo na kailangan pang magpaiba-iba ng serum. Kaya this one definitely great value for money kasi talagang mamamaximize nyo yung paggamit and yun nga, matipid kasi hindi na kayo paiba-iba pa. Also this one, since nga sheer yung kanyang formula or mabilis ma-absorb, what's great about this is that kapag ka nag-pile up kayo ng product, hindi siya mabigat sa pakiramdam. Kasi di ba sometimes kapag ka naglagay ka na ng serum tapos lalagyan mo ng moisturizer or sunblock, what happens is ang bigat sa pakiramdam. Dito sa isang to guys, kapag ka nilagay ko siya sa skin and naglagay ako ng ibang product, hindi siya mabigat or uncomfortable. Another thing I noticed about this product is that yung glow and brightening effect na binibigay niya sa skin, sobrang natural looking. Tsaka wala siyang hapdi sa face guys or even redness kapag ka ginagamit, kaya sobrang nice. Very hassle-free gamitan as well guys kasi ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is maglagay kayo ng few drops sa inyong palm. Then after that, imamassage nyo lang siya all over your face. But if you're feeling a little bit fancy, actually pwede din kayong gumamit ng gua sha to apply it or even yung mga rollers like this one. And to be honest, I feel like this product needs no introduction na kasi when you look at this one sa Shopee or Lazada, once you check the reviews, super daming positive reviews and positive experiences ng mga totoong taong gumagamit. If I'm not mistaken, this one parang meron siyang 21,000 plus na positive reviews sa Shopee and Lazada combined, kaya diba, that speaks volume talaga. That is without any hesitation and obvious proof na nag-work talaga and effective yung product because totoong mga tao yung nagre-review doon eh. Awarded din to ng Watsons as the best serum ngayong 2021 as well, kaya sobrang nakakatuwa and talagang panatag yung loob mo kapag ginamit mo siya because alam mong maganda talaga. Again, I have been using this serum for over a month now and everyday ko siyang ginagamit day and night, kaya I can vouch and talagang masasabi kong effective siya and may nagagawa sa skin. So yeah, again, kung naghahanap kayo ng serum na perfect for everyday, yung nakakatulong talaga to brighten dark spots and to even out your skin tone, you definitely need to check this one out. This serum is definitely worth the hype and I can see the reason why kung bakit love na love siya dito sa atin sa Philippines kasi nga effective talaga. So yeah, again, this is my favorite serum at yung ginagamit ko day and night. with or without makeup every day. Kaya naman, if you want to get your hands on this and kung gusto nyo siyang masubukan, this one is available online sa Lazada and Shopee and also sa mga Watsons branches nationwide. Definitely and without any hesitation, this is my most loved serum and Sa lahat ng mga sinubukan ko and tinest before, dito talaga ako nag-stick. To make it short, this is a Kenny-approved serum. I actually have backups of this product already kasi nga malapit na maubos to guys. And again, everyday ko siyang ginagamit kaya I feel like I have to have more. Also guys, I highly recommend prior to applying this all over your face na mag-patch test muna. Just to be sure kasi diba sometimes yung skin natin may reaction about certain ingredients kaya ayun nga, i-patch test nyo muna prior to putting it all over your face. Ito naman yung sunscreen na ilalagay ko sa aking makeup kit and this is also from Garnier. And yung tawag sa kanya is the Super UV Spot-Proof Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++. And yung reason kung bakit ito yung napili ko is because aside sa wala siyang white cast and also mataas yung SPF, matte yung finish niya. That's why I like this and it works really well, especially underneath your makeup. Tapos mabilis din siya ma-absorb ng skin guys. Kaya if you don't have time, this is perfect. Ayun no, tingnan nyo, diba? Ang bilis na absorb ng skin tapos ang bango din ng amoy niya, guys. Hindi siya nagbibigay or nagdadagdag ng bigat sa skin kaya sobrang perfect. This is how they look like inside my kit. And as you can see, super nice tignan kasi nga may compartment. And unfortunately, hindi pa ako makapaglagay ng moisturizer kasi hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa alam kung anong ilalagay ko. Kaya ayun guys, skip muna natin yon. But I'm very sure naman na pagdating sa moisturizer, water-based yung ilalagay ko since nga I don't like oily products on my face. But yeah, ayun guys, skip muna natin siya. Anyway, this time sa primer naman tayo and yung gagamitin ko or ilalagay this time is the Revlon Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Primer. This is one of the best primers na nagamit ko guys. I love this, especially when it comes to mattifying the skin. And it's been a hot minute since the last time na ginamit ko siya, kaya eto naman yung gagamitin ko ngayon. And this is how it looks like and as you can see, thick yung kanyang consistency which is actually something that I like about this product. Kasi talagang effective siya guys, as in kapag nilagay nyo sa area na may pores, talagang nafe-fill in yung pores tapos sobrang blurred tignan ng skin. I mean, look at that, diba? Sobrang flat and matte tignan ng aking arm. If you have large and visible pores, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo to guys kasi talagang effective siya when it comes to mattifying the skin and filling in the pores. And this one as well guys, dito ko na lang ilalagay sa skincare area. For my base, ito yung dalawang product na ilalagay ko sa aking kit, isang light coverage and isang full coverage. For foundation, ito yung ilalagay ko sa aking kit. This time, this is from SheGlam and yung tawag dito is the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. Sobrang ganda nito guys. Actually, ito yung gamit ko today kaya sobrang flawless na aking skin. Kaya for those of you na naghahanap ng foundation na full coverage, very lightweight and also hindi cakey, you need to check this one out. Tsaka ang daming shades na meron dito guys. If I'm not mistaken, 40 shades. Para naman sa aking light coverage, base ang ilalagay ko is the Easy & Co Skin Tint. Bago na yung packaging nila guys, I'm so happy. And this time, yung shade na ilalagay ko sa aking kit is si Bisque. This is one of their newest shade by the way. And just for your reference, isuswatch ko na din. Ayan guys, ito yung shade na Bisque kapag sinwatch. Tapos iswatch na din natin yung old shade para makita nyo yung difference and yung foundation. Ito naman si Beach which is yung color or shade na ginagamit ko before. And this one is the SheGlam foundation in the shade Shell. And ito namang dalawang to guys, ilagay natin beside our skincare. Grabe guys, ang satisfying kasi tingnan nyo, oh, sobrang perfect ng fit. Same sa foundation guys, pagdating sa concealer, dalawa din yung ilalagay ko. Isang medium to full coverage and isang full. Ito yung first two concealers na ilalagay ko guys. This is from Easy & Co and ito yung kanilang active concealer in the shades FW1 and FN2. This is FW1. Ito yung shade ko for highlighting by the way and for spot concealing, I use the shade FN2 which looks like this. Maganda to guys. Perfect siya for everyday kasi very lightweight, very comfortable sa skin. Hindi siya nagki-cake, kaya if you have oily skin or kaya mabilis mag-crease sa under eye, this one is really good. And syempre, para sa aking full coverage concealer, ang gagamitin ko or ilalagay sa aking kit is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in the shade Cashmere. And ito yung shade niya just in case you guys want to know. And siguro obvious naman guys na full coverage talaga siya. And of course, may mga days kasi na gusto kong mag full coverage. Especially kapag ka full glam, kaya ayun. Para may option tayo. Ilagay natin silang tatlo para marami tayong choices. Nakakakilig i-organize guys kasi tingnan nyo may compartment. Ang babaw ng kaligayahan ko, no? Basta organized sila, happy na ako. Ito yung loose powder na ilalagay ko sa aking kit. This is from Gicomo and yung tawag sa kanya is the Oil Control Loose Powder. Nagawan ko na ng review to guys and I really enjoyed using this kasi nga pinong-pino yung powder. Tapos kapag nilagay nyo siya sa face, hindi niya ginagawang flat yung skin kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko. Ayan guys, this is how the powder looks like and talagang sobrang pino niya as in kapag ka nirarub yung fingers, wala kayong mararamdaman kahit anong grit. Tsaka sobrang mura nito guys, parang wala pang 150. Another powder na ilalagay ko sa aking kit is from MAC Cosmetics, and this one is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and yung shade na to is CN20. And this one guys, ginagamit ko siya sa under eye kasi medyo light yung color sa skin ko. Again, this one is in the shade NC20, but for my all over face, yung gamit ko is CNC25. Medyo pricey lang siya guys, but you get what you pay for kasi sobrang nice ng quality and talaga nakakatulong siya to brighten the under eye and mag-add ng coverage. Again, MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC20. And ayan guys, dito ko sila nilagay. For bronzer at yung ilalagay ko sa kit ko guys, this is from Revlon, one of my ultimate favorites, and actually naiinis ako. Nahulog kasi siya guys, kaya tignan nyo, tanggal na. Anyway, this is how the bronzer looks like. As you can see, hindi siya matte, meron siyang konting shimmer, kaya sobrang nice ilagay sa skin. Tapos yung color niya ang perfect because it gives just the right amount of warmth. It's not too orange, it's not too red. And again, meron siyang shimmer kaya once you apply it sa face, sobrang ganda niya, especially kapag ka natamaan ng ilaw. Hindi siya patchy, hindi gritty, sobrang perfect. Medyo mahal lang din siya but the quality is really nice. And this one, dito na lang natin ilagay sa tabi ng mga powders. For my contour, ito yung dalawang product na ilalagay ko sa aking kit. First one is the Sleek Contour in the shade Light. And yung second naman is, of course, my favorite, Pink Flash Contour in the shade number 1, which is yung ginagamit ko to contour my nose. And ito kasing Sleek, ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit, kaya, you know, i-revisit natin. This one is si Pink Flash and ito naman si Sleek Contour in the shade Light. By the way, ito nga pala yung itsura ng Sleek Contour. Meron siyang kasamang highlight. And ayan guys, dito natin ilagay kasama ng bronzer. For highlight, wala pong pagbabago. Still the same. EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Spotlight. This is honestly a no-brainer guys. This is one of the best, or if not the best, sa mga local highlighters. I've had this for over a year and until now, parang wala pang bawas kasi ang pigmented niya guys. And look at that, diba? Grabe, sobrang blinding niya. Kaya yun guys, ito na lang yung ilagay natin. Ganun din naman, diba? Rekta na tayo dito. For my powder blushes, ito yung ilalagay ko sa aking kit. One from EB Advance and one from Cathy Doll. Ayan guys, ito yung mga shades ng blushes na ilalagay ko. This one is Pink Idol and ito naman si Fig. Both of them are perfect for everyday, very easy to blend. Sobrang nice ng color, very wearable, and bagay sa kahit anong skin tone, kaya eto yung naisip ko. Again, this is the Cathy Doll Blush in the shade Pink Idol, and eto naman si EB Advance in the shade Fig. And I guess atong dalawang to guys, ipagsasama ko na lang sa ating highlight since mag-isa lang naman siya. Oh, di ba? Look at that. Sobrang perfect nila magkakasama sa side and perfect fit as well. For eyeshadows, eto yung naisip kong ilagay sa aking kit. This time, this is from Squad Cosmetics. And yung tawag sa kanya is the Squadlet Palette. Etong isang to yung tawag sa kanya is Serene, and eto naman is si Shy. And yung maganda kasi dito is that 4 lang yung shades na meron, kaya hindi complicated gamitin. Yung isa pwedeng pang transition, yung isa pang darken, tapos may pang lid, di ba? Okay na okay to guys, and sobrang ganda, especially if nag-work kayo or kaya for online class, tapos gusto nyo lang nung quick look. Great value for money. As in, sobrang sulit niya for, I believe, 150 pesos. And ito yung swatches ng mga eyeshadow. This one is yung Shy Quad, and ito naman si Serene. And etong mga to guys, dito natin ilagay. Pinagpalit-palit ko sila ng area para mas ma-maximize natin yung space. For liners, ito naman yung ilalagay ko sa aking kit, and medyo bibilisan ko na dito guys kasi to be honest, hindi siya ganun ka-exciting. First product is the EB Advance Pro Eyeliner in the shade Chocolate. Second is the Vice Cosmetics X Anclutes Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. For liquid, of course, first is the Careline Graph Ink Liner. And of course, my favorite, Gicomo Liquid Eyeliner, which is yung naka-bent or naka-curve, yung applicator. Para naman sa aking brows, para gawin yung hair-like strokes, ang ilalagay ko ngayon sa aking kit is the Easy & Co. Ito yung kanilang Precision Brow Pen in the shade Ash. Ganito yung itsura niya guys. Meron siyang ball. Tapos, ito siya kapag ka sinwatch. Ayan guys, as you can see, sobrang perfect ng kanyang pigmentation. Saktong-sakto lang. It's not too harsh. And yung shade niya, perfect na perfect, especially kapag ka-dark hair. Ito yung gamit ko today, by the way. I'm also going to be putting 2 mascara sa aking kit, isang waterproof and isang hindi. Of course, ito yung gagamitin kong waterproof, Falsy Slash Lift, and for non-waterproof, ang ilalagay ko sa aking kit is the Maybelline Total Temptation. I love this area kasi tignan nyo, sobrang clean and organized tignan. For cream/liquid blushes, ito yung ilalagay ko sa aking kit. First one is the Easy & Co. Cream Blush in the shade Femme Rose. BLK Cosmetics Creamy All Over Paint in the shade Golden Hour. And of course, ang hindi pwedeng mawala sa aking kit, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Tint in the shade Cheesecake. This one is the Get Ready With Me tint in the shade Cheesecake. This is Easy & Co.'s Cream Blush in the shade Femrose. And this one naman is the BLK Cosmetics Creamy All Over Paint in the shade Golden Hour. For lip tints, at yung dalawang ilalagay ko sa aking kit, isa from Maybelline and isa from L'Oreal. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito, but this is yung bago ng Maybelline and yung shade na to is Sunset Affair. But anyway, ito yung kanyang swatch. This one as well, hindi ko alam yung tawag guys, nakalimutan ko siya. But this is again from L'Oreal and yung shade na to is 129 Eyelid. Pero maganda to guys, super lightweight at ang perfect ng shade. Look at that. Both of these have superb formula guys, super nice. And again, look at that, sobrang perfect ng mga shades. For bullet lipsticks, I have 3. First one is from ZZ Cosmetics and this one is in the shade 301. Look at that shade, grabe, sobrang perfect. Second is Clay Crush kasi ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit. This one is from Maybelline by the way and this is my go-to before. Sobrang love ko siya kaya i-revisit natin. Look at that shade, grabe hanggang ngayon sobrang ganda pa din. This one is from BYS and ito yung Luxe Lips nila in the shade Mamacita and ito yung kanyang kulay. Medyo close sa Clay Crush to be honest but you know, may difference naman kaya ayan. Isama na rin natin. Again, this one is the ZC Lipstick in the shade 301. Maybelline Clay Crush and BYS Luxe Lips in Mamacita. Ito naman yung mga lip gloss na ilalagay ko sa aking kit. First one is the BLK Lip Gloss or Sparkle Gloss in the shade Diamond. Ito yung sa bridal collection nila by the way. Super nice na to guys kasi even without anything underneath, pwede siyang gamitin. This next one is from the Sunbeam Factory and ito yung kanilang lip gloss in the shade Pandesal. Look at that, grabe yung pigmentation. Diba? And lastly, of course, my favorite, this is the Heart Evangelista Gloss Stick in the shade In the Nude. This is actually what I'm wearing right now. And ayan guys, ito yung kanyang color, sobrang perfect. Again, this is the BLK Lip Gloss in the shade Diamond, Sunbeam Factory in the shade Pandesal, and of course, Heart Evangelista X Happy Skin in the shade In the Nude. Of course, lip oil, hindi pwedeng mawala. And I have 2. First one is the BLK Cosmetics Wonder Melon Lip Treatment Oil and Strokes Beauty Lab Passion Peach Silk Kiss Lip Oil. Muntik na natin siya makalimutan. This is what I use sa aking kilay, guys. I'm very sure na alam nyo na to. This is the Got to Be Glued Water. Ako pa nakalimot, no? This is yung kanilang water-resistant spiking glue. And this one, since medyo malaki siya, ang gagawin ko is ilalagay ko na lang dito sa zipper compartment. For setting spray, I'm going back dito sa aking Heimish Artless Glow Base, which is my favorite. For those of you na naghahanap ng setting spray na kayang gawing glowy. But again, this one is amazing. Kahit anong skin type, bagay na bagay siya. Especially if dry skin, sobrang ganda. And here it is, guys! Oh my God, it looks amazing. Grabe, diba? Sobrang satisfying tignan. Sobrang perfect. Grabe, look at that. Ang organized. And look at that, diba? Once you close it, it doesn't look cluttered. It doesn't look messy. Ang professional tignan. Even for traveling, actually okay na okay siya kasi diba, compact, very handy, and secured yung mga product inside. Even skincare kasi nga padded siya. I'm so happy, guys! And hopefully, nagustuhan nyo din siya, guys. And meron kayo nakuha idea kung paano mag-organize ng makeup kit. And also ng mga products na ginagamit ko, guys. Sana may nagustuhan din kayo. And also, before we end this video, guys, let's do a mini giveaway as well. Meron kasi akong dalawang extra ng aking favorite na Garnier Vitamin C Serum, kaya ipapag-giveaway ko siya sa dalawa sa inyo. And of course, to join, all you have to do is i-follow yung mechanics na ilalagay ko sa screen. Again, available itong Garnier Vitamin C sa Lazada, Watsons, and Shopee. Kaya, if you want to try them, just check the description box kasi ililink ko tong product na to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.